Good morning, masterminds. Let's go get my car washed. There's a lot of people right now.
Yes. Yay.
Minutes later.
Yay, my car is clean.
Because I actually own the car, I think I should name it to give it respect. Henceforth, my Honda shall be known as Henry, with an I.
6.5 hours later.
I'm back at it again drinking wine. I want to correct myself on the record. A Marsala wine is not a sherry wine. Sherry, Madeira, Vermouth, Marsala, they're all fortified wines, but sherries come from Jerez, Spain. Just like Scotch belongs to Scotland and Champagne belongs to France, Marsala belongs to Italy, specifically Sicily. Oh, a perfect aperitif or a digestive.
5 minutes later.
I'm feeling drunk again. You know what's funny? Last night after I drank all that wine and whiskey, I took a nap on my bed and I experienced sleep paralysis. It was pretty scary. I remember waking up, my heart was pounding, and it felt like a force was pulling me up and then smacking me back down on the bed and forcing me down, and I felt like I was fighting that force away, and I won. I woke up. Yeah. I'm lucky I didn't see any wild hallucinations. But have you experienced sleep paralysis? Let me know down below in the comments. You know, getting drunk on wine is like a nice drunk. I think so. And then the hangovers are pretty long. You need to keep your food intake up. Don't do what I'm doing and just drinking it without eating something prior. Oh, I think a week from now I will go to Whole Foods and buy some ingredients to make chicken marsala. That sounds like a plan. Masterminds, I think I should go now. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Remember, be smart for your heart. Good night.